Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics. My name's Eccentrics. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you smash that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and there's lots of content coming up today, including Makeover Mondays. Well, Canadians, today is Family Day. Yes, it's Family Day. Woohoo! It's a statutory holiday in most provinces. Actually, it's only a statutory holiday in 8 provinces. So that's a little tidbit of information I don't know if everybody knew, but it's a statutory holiday in going from the East Coast to the West Coast. We have a statutory holiday in Nova Scotia, PEI, New Brunswick, Ontario, Quebec, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and BC. That's 8 provinces. So what gives to the other 2 provinces? We know what provinces they are. They're Quebec, and they're also Newfoundland and Labrador. So it's not a statutory holiday in those 2 provinces. So if you need to fly to Labrador or Newfoundland today to get your cosmetics, go right ahead. But it's a snowy day out there. So it's Family Day. What do people do on Family Day? Today it is snowing out. There has been snow on the ground if you're living in a province where it has snowed. If you're living in Ontario, what do you do on Family Day? The malls are closed, the liquor stores are closed, most grocery stores are closed, convenience stores are open, so if you need milk, bread, or eggs, go there. So with Family Day happening, I always thought to myself, Family Day is a great day, and I'm glad that the government of Canada established Family Day, and I'm glad that most provinces, and I say this liberally, that most provinces adopted Family Day as a national statutory holiday that goes with all the other holidays in Canada. So what do you do on Family Day? What does Eccentrics do on Family Day? Well, Eccentrics goes for a walk. Eccentrics spends time with his family and friends. Today is Makeover Monday, so Eccentrics is getting his hair done, which I'll show you in a second, my mop of hair, which is absolutely, oh my God, it is horrendous, viewers. It's absolutely horrendous. That's why if you're wondering where I'm wearing hats all the time, my hair looks like a mop. It literally looks like a mop. So I will be showing you an after picture. This is going to be the before picture. However, I will be showing you an after picture later this afternoon as well, once my hair is done and colored and cut. So with Family Day, you can cook on the barbecue, put your steaks on the barbecue, even if it's snowing out, put your steaks there, cook chicken, have a nice meal with your family, go tobogganing, go out for a walk, go out for a hike with your family as well, and your kids. Make sure you always hug your kids, tell them that you love them. Give them kisses and hugs, and that's something that you really should do on a regular basis. Actually, is before you leave the house, this was posted on Facebook, always remember to give your loved ones a kiss, a hug, and remember that today is the present and tomorrow is not promised. So, what else can you do on Family Day? Well, that's really about it. So, unless you're spending time with family and friends, you can't go shopping. Most Shoppers Drug Marts in Canada are open. So if you need your cosmetics, ladies and men, most shoppers are open and most businesses are closed, including government offices. So congratulations to all those provinces who have the statutory holiday, Family Day. Those of you who are working in hospitals, thank you so much for your commitment to the emergency rooms and everywhere else, as well as nurses, doctors, etc. We really appreciate that, especially when there's emergencies that come up. So Family Day is all about celebration, celebrating your family. So if you have no family, celebrate it with your pets, celebrate it with yourself. Enjoy a movie. Families can enjoy a movie on Netflix, watch TV, cuddle, do whatever you need to do. That being said, you're going to see the reveal of my hair now. It is an absolutely mop. It's a mop and it's absolutely horrendous. It's a mop. Look at it. Look at it, viewers. It is absolutely horrid. Horrid, 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 horrid. And I can't stress that enough. So, today is Makeover Mondays. So Eccentrics is getting his hair done. And we'll also be doing a tutorial on makeup as well. So, that being said, congrats to all the provinces who have a statutory holiday today for Family Day. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and smash that button and subscribe to my channel. I'm putting my hat back on because I look horrendous and horrible right now. So that being said, cheers everyone. Tick tock, time's a ticking. From all of us here at Eccentrics and Studio 111, thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous Family Day. Cheers everyone.